Hello Cloud community, it's Eileen. Yesterday I got a question how to install the plugin, and I'm so grateful for that question because I've been doing this so long that I honestly forget some of the what even the questions are. So let's take a moment to explain. You come to log into your dashboard, and under plugins you want to add new, and then you upload plugin, choose the file. You can see I am a desktop hoarder here. You'll choose it. I already have it, so I'm not going to go through the process, but you'll choose and then just remember to activate it. It's not activated automatically. And that is super, super simple. Once you do that, on the left-hand side, you'll see Divi Cloud. So you'll go into your settings, and you'll take your API key from the Layouts Cloud dashboard. You'll install it here and save, and then if you would like, you can rename the plugin. So I'm going to say Eileen Layouts Cloud plugin, and I'm going to save. As you work with the plugin, if you have a subscription and you have your own cloud going, then you can add your own categories. But right now, don't fret because you won't see all this stuff that I made. So you save it. Because my cache doesn't seem to want to refresh immediately, if it doesn't rename, it doesn't mean it doesn't work. It means clear out your cache, and you should then see what you have called it. If you have any questions, let us know, and we will see you in the groups.